Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I'm out here in the garden again today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm going to be harvesting our first zucchini of the season. So these yellow ones are looking quite nice, and there's that one big one over there. I'm going to take that one out and leave the other ones. Our green ones aren't growing quite as fast, but there are some on here as well. So there's like a little guy in there. There were some more other ones. There's another little guy here. There were a few other ones, but they seem to have shriveled up, so I don't know, it's been so dry. I actually started watering a couple of choice things here, even in the mulch, like that one, because it's so near to the edge. I don't think it's getting enough moisture retention, and the mulch isn't even that thick there, so it's not ideal. You can see some of the leaves are a little bit wilted, so that one got watered today. And a few other things kind of on the edge, like the squash that I've put on the edges also needed some water, so those got some water too. You can see they are starting to kind of creep in towards the corn, so that should be good. We have some little corn cobs forming here and there on some of these. I am told that since they're tasseled out, it means they won't grow any bigger, so this is definitely not going to be a good corn harvest this year, but I'm okay with that. I know it wasn't ideal. We had a lot of plants get frozen this year when I left them out overnight, one night when it got really cold. They also probably got root bound. I planted them out late. The mulch hasn't really been, you know, as thick everywhere as it should be, and it hasn't really had time to break down everywhere. So anyway, less than ideal. I'm not going to worry about it. Tomatoes are looking good. We've got a bunch of tomato fruits on various plants. Some of them are in various stages of ripeness. We've got a little sage plant here. That's a recent addition. The flowers are doing great. We got marigolds kind of everywhere throughout the garden here. Got a lot of flowers on that one as well. So those are looking really nice in there. These as well, they're looking good. A lot of the late planted tomatoes are actually doing quite well as also. So you can see the ones over here. They've grown quite big. Some of the pepper plants are actually really big now. Some of them have really nice chilies growing on them. Some of these are coming along nicely too. You can see these little guys here. So yeah, things are looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy. You can see a lot of tomatoes on this guy over here. So these should be ripening up in the next couple weeks. Got a bunch in there, big bunch in there. A lot up in this one. Those guys are all little ones in there. You can see them. You can see a bunch here forming. There's a bunch in there. There's some bigger ones on that one. Some of them are actually kind of close to ripening. I don't remember which one I saw. Anyway, oh, there's some in here as well. These nice little yellow ones. So yeah, they're doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy. And oh, got a black tomato in there. That one's looking good too. So yeah, let's get this zucchini harvested. So there we go. That is our first zucchini of the year. Looking quite nice. As you can see, it's pretty nicely colored. No real damage. The mulch does help keep away slugs and stuff, so that's actually nice. It's not perfect. We did have some things eaten last year, but usually it's kind of near the edge of the mulch where they can get in. They won't really wander in that far. So this is actually quite nice. I'm very happy with it. I'm sure it will taste good like all of our zucchinis did last year. It's a really great plant to grow. I think, you know, they produce a lot of food. They don't take a lot of care, and they don't even take that much space. I mean, they do get bigger. The ones we had last year were definitely bigger than that, but they produced a lot of zucchinis for us, and you just can't beat the flavor. I mean, like, you can buy a store-bought zucchini, but it's not the same thing. I can guarantee you, you grow one of these in your yard, it's going to taste a million times better than anything you can buy in the store. Yeah, I just can't stress it enough. I encourage everybody, if you've got, you know, 10 square feet of property, like, you know, don't grow a lawn, like, grow some food. get some tomatoes, get some zucchinis, get some whatever you can, fit in a, you know, a fruit bush in there, raspberries, whatever, strawberries, do something. You'll be grateful when you can harvest your own food. It's a huge thing. So check out some of my older videos if you want to see what I do with the zucchinis. I do can actually a lot of them with tomatoes once the tomatoes are ripening. You can put away ready-made you know, meals for yourself for later in the year, and it goes great for anything like you know, matching it with rice, pasta, potatoes, whatever you got. Even just a simple bread. Really great nutritious food that you can put away in the summertime. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.